Good morning. Hey Glendy, I brought them some hay. This is Peach, Spidey, and Daisy. And I want to tell something about yesterday. Because yesterday it was Friday 13. And first, Peach escaped. She went through the wire next to the ditch and she walked here. And later, Elvis escaped here. I think it was Elvis. He did go this way. This was all down. Then he did go this way. And the 3 wires were broken. And that wire was on the ground. So all of that was down. Then I fixed it and brought the horses outside again. Hi. That went well. And then in the afternoon, I checked the horses and I thought, well, it's going okay. And there it's going okay. And over there and there, everything is going okay. So I thought we had a village party. So we went there and I thought late in the evening I'm home again. And then I can bring the horses inside because it was very warm, about 30 degrees. And in the stable it's also very warm. So we came home and I only saw Teije. Teije was standing here and I saw Rising Star was all the way there. So something went wrong. And this is the reason. I really don't know what happened, but he did go over the wire and he galloped back and forth. So when I walked here, so I couldn't film it because I was in a hurry to catch him. But when I walked here, he came to me and he jumped over here and he was back. I hope he's okay. Well, I think he's okay because I didn't see anything. But yeah, he was all the way back there. But then I thought, okay, it was Friday the 13th. So that's the reason. Well, I think the pasture's also okay. Yeah. In a few days they are going to mow everything. So, well, now it's very high. Well, that was my story about yesterday. Today we have a new day. Okay, I fixed it again. Let's try again with the horses. Hey, Teije. Hey, Daisy. How are you? Hey. Oh. Goed zo. Well, he looks kind of normal. Hey. I saw something there. But I think it's not that bad. Otherwise his leg was thick. I think that's all. Hey. I also want to check if he's moving. Okay. Come on. Oh, Yvke was lying to him. But I think he's not moving any different than before. So hopefully it's not that bad. I don't think so. The rough. Oh, Yvke. Shall we go to Yvke? Come. Come on. Hey, doe je. Oké. Yvke. Denk erom. Boukje, Blomke, Yvke en Bella. Are you not interested? Hey, hey. No. Bella. Yvke again. En Boukje en Blomke. Wel, kom. Hey, Spidey. I put sunscreen on his nose. Goed zo. Goed zo, Reissie. Elvis. Elvis, Sally, Dolly en Rijntje. Yeah, now you can see the double coat a bit. Na 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 na. Glendy. Peach. And Daisy. Hey. Okay, there's no grass anymore here. Well, a bit. Uh, Spidey? Hey. There's Peach. Bella and Yvke and the others. What are you doing, Daisy? That's not yours. It's empty. Oh. Well, go outside, please. No. That was from Dolly. No. Come. Quick. Doe. Come maar. No. No.
Hey, zo dan. Niks. Anders gemaakt.
Belle, Boukje, Yvke en Blomke. Elvis, Sally, Rijntje and Dolly. They can go outside again. Rijsie and Tyrone. Peach. Spidey. En Daisy. En daar is Glendy. Rocky. Teije en Rocky. Ik denk dat dit de eerste keer is dat hij een pony shit.
Maar ik denk dus dat dan even de... Hey! Hey, Rocky kiet gewoon er wel even op binnen.
Ja, ik denk dat hij het een beetje eng vindt.
Ja, dat is... Ik denk dat het gewoon net zo goed is.
Oh.
Willen die nou even voorbij dan?
Oh, dan pakken we die straks.
Dat komt mooi uit, want dan is er een fjouwer.
Ja.
Deze fjouwer, die orenfjouwer, die kun ik maar de trekker op halen.
Oké. Stappen. Trrrf.
Nee, nou vallen de balen, denk ik.
En dan hier.
Maar we kunnen gewoon even
Oh.
Rocky erbij hebben voor de foto.
Ja.
Deze nog geen briefjes.
Oh. Stappen. Oh.
Leg zeg maar die bierblik.
Mooi die kratjes.
Ja. Er zit een die neer.
Oh.
Hij vindt die zin. Jij zit nog een fjouwer in.
Nou, dan met die oren daar rek in.
Kom maar.
Maar hij doet het net als het net stuurst.
Wow.
Ja, Dob is nou aan de beurt. Om's de beurten.
Oké. Stappen. Stappen.
Stop.
Stappen.
Goed zo, Daisy.
Hij deed het eerst net.
Sturen.
Ja.
Stappen.
Ik wil eerst even om de emmer slaan om dan
Oh ja.
een bochtje. Voor de rotonde.
Daisy, stappen.
Hey. Ik zit heel veel.
Ja, maar even recht zitten. Ik moet het leidselsbeet pakken. Dan maar even hier bij mij maar gaan. Ja. Nou, geef maar naar een baal.
Nou, dacht ik, kan ik even het klaar maken. Ik denk, nee, ho! Trekker! Maar de trekker die is jou op.
Oh, ja. Nou, doei Teije. Oeps.
Oh, dit binnen nog 4. Ik heb altijd dat er een vinkje nog bij ligt. Als
Super.
je de mannen nou houdt.
Oh ja.
Kijk, karren.
Misschien is het toch makkelijker op deze karren.
Maar ik toch ook wel oké.
Jammer. No. That way, please. Sally en Elvis en Dolly en Rijntje. And Bouke is there with the wire and doing things. And Tyrone And Raisi think that's very scary. They're chasing around. Tyran is trying to be the boss. And Raisi also wear a fly mask. But it's over there. I don't know what happened. Hey. Uh. The ponies think Bauke is very scary. Okay. What did you do? Raisi. Okay. I take out this wire so the tractors can mow everything. Bauke and Juke and I think Kiki. Almost ready. A couple of poles there and there. And then tomorrow they mow everything. So they can also drive here. And I take away the wire tomorrow at the fillies. I'm sorry, I'm a bit tired. But yeah, I just do it. And of course, I'm very happy Bauke is helping. He's over there. So thank you, Bauke. Boukje, Blomke, Belle and Yveske. And tomorrow I have to take out this wire too. And I think they have to be inside for a couple of days. And yes, they can go into the arena and the paddock. But yeah, I'm sorry. Really, sorry. But it's only a couple of days. And maybe I come up with something else. So we shall see. Hallo? Boukje? Kom eens. Hey. Yveske? Lomke? Hallo? I don't do anything. Well, I'll let them eat. Bye. Hey, Dolly. Hello. Well, I think Dolly is doing very good. She's not that skinny as Yveske and Boukje. And she don't want to have the milk I make for her. No, you don't. Rijntje has a lot of pellets, so she can take good care of Dolly. And here I have some pellets for Dolly. But every time Rijntje is doing this and then she licks. So I try to put on this Well, it's the milk thing. So maybe Dolly wants to go to eat. We shall see. But I think Rijntje is going to eat. Dolly. Hey. No, not yet.